Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade walls faster in Clash of Clans. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you have a lot of walls to upgrade and you want it to be like quicker. I would say the only thing that you can do would be using wall rings, or buy the wall rings using the raid medals or from the league shop. So basically, let's say if you don't have enough money to upgrade the wall, what you can do is go to the shop, go to the raid medals and scroll down. If you have a lot of raid medals like me, let's say 2000, and each wall ring is about like 225. So if you have a lot of walls to upgrade, then you can buy these from the shop. And another way would be going to the league shop, and then by participating in the clan war league, you can earn these medals and then buy these from the shop and then use them to upgrade the wall. Let's say I have but the thing is, the higher level the town hall you are, the more rings you have to put in order to upgrade a wall, which is, let's say to upgrade one single wall, it costs like at least 4 wall rings, which is really expensive. But utilizing the wall medals from the wall rings from the shop and from the clan medals is really the easiest way or the fastest way in order to upgrade wall. And that is how you will be able to upgrade it faster.